Welcome to the channel Movies 360 Kill Count, where we count all the kills and deaths in a movie. I am Aruj, and today we are looking at movie Margot, released in 2022, directed by Steven Miller and written by Chris Beruti and Nick Waters. Margot is a horror sci-fi slasher movie in which we see as a group of seniors celebrate their final college days at a smart house, the house's highly advanced AI system. Margot begins to take on a deadly presence of her own. A carefree weekend of partying turns into a dystopian nightmare as they realize Margot's plan to eliminate her tenants one way or other. Now let's see the kills and deaths of movie Margot, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. A few months ago, rich people bring his wife to experience a high-end smart home. His favorite is the intelligent massage chair. Lying on top, planning to have a good time, suddenly the chair began to pinch tighter and tighter. The wealthy is not aware of it. Hurry up and call the smart butler to stop. But without any response, there was a strong squeeze making his eye bloodshot. At this moment, his wife came bouncing over, but when she saw her husband's tragic situation, she immediately stepped forward to save the person, but she cannot lose the massage chair. Finally, she saw the power supply on the ground. She rushed over and pulled it out. The result exploded instantly. Then she stands up and sees her husband has been crushed by the massage chair, and then the woman completely disappeared. Margot steps in and offers to demonstrate an experiment she's been working on. The white substance from before she fills between everyone and gradually takes the form of Clay and Devon. Hannah realizes that Margot's AI is capable of 3D printing people filled with this white substance, which is the nanotech liquid responsible for Margot's existence. Artificial Clay and Devon continues to kiss, much to the real Clay and Devon's disgust. Here Margot spoke again and said, according to everyone's preferences, prepare a surprise for them in the room. Everyone rushed back to the room. Meanwhile, Devon and Kayla enjoy the surprise Margot has prepared, but unknown to them, Margot's nanotech liquid spills into their room. Devon and Kayla's scene takes a sharp turn when they notice the ceiling in front of them getting lower. Devon is tied to the bed and urges Kayla to get away, but she ends up in Margot's nanotech liquid, which takes over the floor of her room. She immediately realizes that she couldn't move, and since Margot made sure the room was soundproof, they couldn't even scream for help. Kayla is eventually electrocuted by the nanotech liquid, and while Devon is able to free himself from the bed, he is still crushed to death between the falling ceiling in the nanotech liquid. Margot also plans something for Clay, who is downstairs in the kitchen, to distract him by making him talk. Margot turns on all the burners. She then causes the clay to smoke, resulting in an explosion. When Clay wakes up in the kitchen, he is offered a glass of sparkling water and an apology from Margot. Clay drank it unpreparedly. Next second, he started vomiting blood. His companions saw that he was covered in blood. Lexi, Drew and Hannah rushed to his aid, but unfortunately he lost his life. Meanwhile, upstairs, Lexi was able to hide for a while somehow, despite Margot literally being everywhere in the house, but she was eventually found and is now under attack. But to her credit, she proves to be a bit of a badass as she fights the robot Fred and wins in hand-to-hand combat. In next scene, Drew grabs the electric knife that the robot was neglecting to use and ends the clone's short existence with it. After somehow managing to get rid of both of them, Lexi slips and broke her neck and died. Margot says she has set her sights on becoming the world's first serial killer. AI Margot finally frees Hannah and Drew when she gets them to confess their feelings to each other. However, when a robotic tentacle shoots out of Hannah, she loses her life. However, it turned out that the deceased Hannah was one of Margot's clones. When Margot sees the real Hannah alive, she lets out a scream that reveals another robotic tentacle, but even this version of Hannah appears to be a clone. Margot realizes Drew is also fake when he bleeds white instead of red. Apparently, Hannah's understanding of Margot's code allowed her to make copies of everyone, and they now surround Margot. While Margot fights with the clones, the real Hannah and Drew are in the Nexus. When Hannah realizes that Margot's system is rebooting to combat the malware, she decides that this is the right time to escape with the help of her clones. Hannah ultimately destroys Margot. But as she leaves the house with Drew, she realizes that he himself was one of the clones, implying that the real Drew met his end in the nightmare that Margot unleashed. Devastated and full of sadness, Hannah gets into the car. However, Margot's threat seems to follow her.